So, Huawei has officially confirmed the launch of the Mate 70 series for the fourth quarter of 2024, with these devices set to debut with the stable version of HarmonyOS NEXT pre-installed. This significant announcement means the Mate 70 series will likely be released between October and December this year, marking a key milestone for Huawei's flagship lineup. Huawei Consumer Business Chairman Yu Chengdong revealed the release timeline and emphasized that the Mate 70 lineup would be the first to feature the stable HarmonyOS NEXT version. Following the launch of the Mate 70 series, Huawei plans to roll out the major software upgrade to other devices in batches, ensuring a broader reach of their latest operating system. Earlier this year, at the Analyst Summit 2024 in April, Huawei's rotating chairman Zhu Zhizhen hinted at a fourth-quarter rollout for HarmonyOS NEXT, and subtly indicated that the Mate 70 series would likely be unveiled around the same time. This recent confirmation from Huawei aligns with those earlier hints and validates previous leaks about the next flagship lineup's timeline and features. The Mate 70 series has been the subject of numerous leaks and rumors. Recent speculation suggests that the Pro model will continue to use the tri-hole front design, similar to its predecessors, although it remains uncertain if this design will be consistent across all new models. Another significant aspect of the Mate 70 series is its camera framework. Leaks indicate that these new handsets may incorporate upcoming OmniVision sensors to enhance image and video recording capabilities. There is also speculation about the inclusion of a retractable lens, similar to the one found in the Pura 70 Ultra, which could provide additional versatility and quality in photography. Huawei's focus on integrating the HarmonyOS NEXT with the Mate 70 series highlights the company's commitment to advancing its software ecosystem alongside its hardware innovations. This strategic move is designed to offer a seamless user experience and position Huawei as a strong competitor in the high-end smartphone market. The anticipation for the Mate 70 series is building, not only because of the hardware upgrades and design changes, but also due to the potential of HarmonyOS NEXT to provide a more integrated and efficient user experience. As the launch date approaches, Huawei is expected to reveal more details, further heightening interest in their new flagship devices. With the Mate 70 series, Huawei is set to reinforce its position as a leader in the smartphone industry, leveraging both technological advancements and strategic market positioning. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Huawei Mate 70 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.